Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this green square EFBD that is inside this triangle ABC, as you can see in this figure, and moreover the area of this right triangle ADE is X, and the area of this another right triangle EFC is Y. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green square. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and let's focus on this triangle ADE. Let me go ahead and call this angle alpha and this angle beta, and we know that this is our 90-degree angle. Then alpha and beta are going to be complementary angles. And here's the definition of complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degrees. And now let's observe that this angle is same as this angle, since they are corresponding angles. So therefore, if this angle is alpha, this angle has got to be alpha as well. And now let's focus on this right triangle EFC over here. And we know that this angle is 90 degree. So this angle has got to be beta, since alpha and beta are complementary angles. So therefore, we conclude that these two triangles, triangle ADE and the other triangle EFC, are similar triangles according to angle-angle theorem. And here's our angle-angle-angle theorem. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are said to be similar. And now let me go ahead and call these sides of this green square as lowercase s, since square has all equal side, so each length is going to be s. And let me go ahead and call this AD length as lowercase a, and this CF length as b. So then we got these proportions. That means we are going to equate these ratios. So I can write this one as s over a equal to b over s. Now let's cross multiply this times this. So that is going to give us s times s is going to give us s square equal to a times b. Let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this triangle ADE in terms of its side lengths. And here's the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half time base time height. For this triangle, our base is a and the height is lowercase s. So that is going to give us a half time a times s. But we know that the area of this triangle ADE is x. So I can equate this is x equal to AS divided by 2. Let's go ahead and solve for a. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 over s on this side and 2 over s on this side. This s and s is gone, 2 and 2 is gone. So we simply got a equal to 2x divided by s. Let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 2. Now let's go ahead and calculate the area of other triangle EFC. And once again, here's the area of a triangle formula. In our case, the base is lowercase s and the height is lowercase b. So the area of this triangle EFC is going to be 1 over 2 times b times s. But we know that the area of this triangle EFC is y. So I can equate y equals to bs divided by 2. And now let's isolate b. Let me go ahead and multiply both sides by 2 over s on this side and 2 over s on this side. Here s and s is gone, 2 and 2 is gone. So we ended up with b equal to 2y over s. Let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 3. And here's our final step. Let's focus on equation 1, which I have just copied down over here. Now let's go ahead and replace a by this quantity and b by this quantity. So we're going to have s square equal to a in our case is 2x divided by s times 2y divided by s. So let's go ahead and simplify. So we got s square on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we got 4xy divided by s square. Let's go ahead and remove the fractions. I'm going to multiply by s square on both sides. So on the left hand side, s square times s square is going to give us s power 4. This s square is gone. So we got 4 times xy. And now let's go ahead and take the square root on both sides. So on the left hand side become s square equal to square root of 4 is simply 2 times the square root of xy. Let me now explain it to you. S power 4 and then take the square root, and we know that the square root could be written as power 1 over 2, and now we are going to use the exponents rule. So we are going to multiply 4 times 1 over 2, and that is going to give us s square. And now we can see that this s square represents the area of this green square. So that means this s square is simply the area of green square. Just keep in your mind. So thus the area of this green square turns out to be simply 2 times the square root of xy. So thus the area of this green square turns out to be a 2 times square root of x and y, where x is the area of this triangle AD and y is the area of this other triangle EFC. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.